Is it better to be loved or feared? Niccolò Machiavelli in The Prince asks a question that still chills leaders today. His answer is disturbing, unforgettable. This is no abstract puzzle. Choose wrongly, and your kingdom can collapse overnight. What kind of leader survives? Power is like glass, beautiful, but ready to shatter. It rests not on morality, but on control and perception. Ignore this, and you lose everything overnight. Courtiers flatter today and betray tomorrow. Allies vanish, like shifting sand beneath your feet. How can a ruler keep fragile power intact? Love wins devotion, fear wins obedience. Love fades, fear lingers. The true danger is hatred. Once a crowd hates you, no power holds it back. Raise taxes, recklessly, or dishonor families, and hatred becomes rebellion no army can contain. How does one inspire fear without breeding hate? A ruler need not be good, only appear good. Mercy and honesty are tools. When the mask slips, revealing the monster beneath, reputation shatters. A prince must be a fox to spot traps, and a lion to terrify wolves. Can image always protect a leader? Fortune is a wild river, raging, unpredictable. Skill, virtue, is the dam that bends its course. Great leaders turn chaos into opportunity. Floods sweep away the careless. Foresight and preparation keep walls standing when waters rise. Can fortune ever be mastered? Peace is a pause, not a promise. War is constant. A prince must prepare. Study battles, train armies. Never trust mercenaries who fight for coin, not loyalty. Machiavelli urged rulers to read history, drill in winter, and spect weapons themselves. What happens to leaders who fear war? Cruelty can save lives, if it is swift and decisive. Spread slowly, it breeds resentment. One brutal act may secure years of peace. Cesare Borgia pacified Romagna with one ruthless stroke, then won loyalty through order and stability. When does cruelty cross the line? Machiavelli's lessons echo in politics and business today. Survival favors perception, adaptability, decisive action. The world forgets intentions, but never forgets strength. In a world that remembers strength, what will you project? Power survives not by virtue, but by perception and control.